So I've decided, y'all, if y'all really want to know what time it is, it's like 12 something. I got off at 12 o'clock, and I did apply the clock to my cart, and it's still like a little bit over than what I wanted to spend. So I came up with a little thing I want to do tomorrow. I think I may want to go. I know I have to gas up tomorrow, and near where I gas up, there's a Ross, and then I can go. I got to go farther down some more, and then I can hit up Marshalls and a Home. I think it's Goods. I think it's Home Goods. I'm gonna see if they have a knife set that I like. I got cash in my pocket, so I wasn't going to use a credit card to order those things. I was just going to use my bank card. So, and then I got paid from YouTube, so I was going to treat myself. You know what I'm saying? With that money, it was more than. I'm trying to think. I hit up Marshalls, and then I hit up, like I said, Home Goods, and I'll see if I can find me a really nice knife set. I want something compact and minimal, just really sit nice over there where I have that ceramic vase that has my utensils in it. I'll also look for another cream utensil with it, like a wood handle too. So I'm shooting for tomorrow. It's already late, y'all. Y'all see that? It's already late. So we'll do that. That's part of the vlog. I'm just going to keep doing them like that. What y'all going to get, what y'all can get, as long as I do Vlogmas, right? So like I said, bear with me. I'm going to try to do the best that I can to get out some good stuff. What else is new? Nothing's new. I'm sleepy, y'all. I got to go to bed, okay? So I'm not scheduled to work tomorrow. So hopefully that can work out for us, that we can go a little sightseeing, shopping, just look and see what some of these stores got. And yeah, guys, good night. What, y'all waiting on me to say something? Well, good morning. It is the next day, December the 3rd. December 3rd. This is the fanciest she gonna get today. Okay, do y'all want me to say it? Do y'all want me to say it? This is the easiest hairstyle ever. It's so easy. I just have to do this. Do that, take out me some little baby hairs. Like that. That's it. Let me put something on my lips. Oh, I gotta get me some more vitamin E oil. Hold on, y'all. That's the look. Uh-oh, you're too close. Good morning. Good morning. Let's go. This is the look, y'all, today. I cannot find y'all know my hoops. I got some really nice, large sterling silver hoops, and I can't find them. I don't know where they are. It's getting on my nerves. I mean, I can find them. I can find the hoops. I just can't locate the backs. But I just have on my Apple Watch, and I have on this, can y'all see this? Hold on. It's like a drawstring. How can I do, wait a minute, y'all, hold on. Oh my gosh, here you go. Hold on. I got on this drawstring, goldish little bracelet. So it's cold outside, y'all already know. I don't know which coat to wear, but we about to head out. I'm gonna make my coffee and we out. Now, y'all remember me telling y'all that I was off, right? Yes, she's digging inside her lipstick. I told y'all I was off. How come they just requested me to work? I'm not doing it. Although that money be good. The money be good. But I'm sorry, I'm not doing it today. I was just here the other day, right? To walk. Because that's what I'm about to do. I was here to walk, and y'all seen that I was not able to walk. Don't judge me. Look at that. I told y'all I am off balance with these. Look at that. Seriously? Oh my God. This one is catching up, but that's the one that broke. But anyway, I'm getting ready to walk, get that over with, and then we'll go on our field trip. I was just looking at this. I was like, I poured my coffee in here. I drank some and put the rest in here. My coffee cup matches my outfit today, my jacket. I'll be back. It's cold as a monkey's butt. For real. Phew. Woo, y'all had to stop and get me some gas. Gas is $2.50. What's that right there? That's what the gas is. Let's see. I put $30. Let's see what we're gonna get. Okay. I'm over 10 gallons. All right, that's cool. All right, y'all, we on the road.
I went to 79cash.com and we'll have our money as soon as tomorrow. Wow.
They got all the holiday dresses. Is that a dress? It's an apron or something. Not an apron. That's a like a shawl. Hi. Let's go to the kitchen stuff. They got that damn music playing. See, that's why I don't like coming in these doors, because the music just be off the chain. Hold on, y'all. Ooh. Oh my God, that's cute too. Y'all look at this tray. Oh my God, this is so pretty. What is that? $15.99? That ain't bad. They got two of them. That's pretty. All right, y'all, I like this. They come with like a little tray that they lay in, and you get 3. And I don't think that's bad for $7.99. But I want something that has like it sits down like in a little tray that can fit on your counter. Like it makes it stand up. And then they have this one. This is nice. But if I was to get one, I prefer this, but I wish it would stand up. Look what else I see. That's real pretty. How much is this? I just seen the price. $9.99, that ain't bad. Y'all, that winter is getting me. Look at my damn fingernail. That's number 2. So I don't know, we might be out of here, y'all. All right, y'all, we are in Marshall's. It smells so good in here, and it's so pretty. So, as far as knife sets, they have this, but I don't see where it says it has a built-in sharpener, but it doesn't have a knife. It doesn't have scissors, well, shears. So I don't know, y'all. That might be a no-go. And then they got the music playing again. I'm gonna go check out their perfumes, and then I'm just gonna get out of here, y'all, because I don't see anything. So, hold on. This one? No. I don't see it. Not the real pretty bottles. This one's cute. Can people just stay in the house? It is so cold out here. So it's okay. We're approaching Homegoods. I'm gonna go to the knife set area and see what they got. Ooh. There's people everywhere. This is crazy. Ooh, y'all, look at everything. Look at that. That is beautiful. Let me see. Ah. They got so much stuff, man. Look at all of this. Beautiful, beautiful. All the knife sets are the same here. They do have this though. The measuring thing. That's cute. It ain't bad, but the knife sets, y'all, it's the same situation. All of these, same. And the butcher block. The lady was trying to help me, but oh my God, y'all, everywhere I turn, there's like somebody. I'm out of here. I gotta go. Yeah, I think I'm gonna end this vlog here because, oh, this guy, I got it on my nose. This is Tonka. Smells good. But y'all, people is crazy everywhere. Y'all better not be acting like this. This is why I don't celebrate, because people are off the chain. Like, look at this. Oh my God, that smells good. Look at that. That look expensive and luxury. So they got all this stuff. But they don't sell smell goods here. But anyway, y'all, I'm going to end this vlog. See y'all. I'm just going to wait. I might find something at the Benz on a Friday. I might find exactly what I'm looking for. But I'll see y'all later. Bye.